Hello, here Akshay Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 9th NCERT. Chapter 10 Circles. Equal chords and their distances from centers. You know the two theorems, equal chords at equal distance and from the center, and if the distance are equal then the chords are equal. So exercise 10.4. Exercise 10.4. You are getting question number 1. What is given? Two chords of radius 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points. A radius 5 cm and the radius 2 cm. There is a two circles of radius 5 and 3 intersect at here O and O dash. There is a two center 5 and 3 intersect 2 points, distinct point A and B. So center distance of between their center is given 4 cm. OO dash is given 4 cm. You want to find the length of the common chord. Common chord is AB. AB is a common chord of both. So distance between this is given 4 cm. So it is given 4. So we will join this for the, it is given 3 cm. It is given 5 cm. So here it is M. OM is given, if it is X, then it is 4. What is given? 4 minus X. So you will get this. Line joining the center is a perpendicular bisector of the common chord. That we know. So first we will find out this OAM. This is a right triangle perpendicular bisector. Line joining the center of the two circles is a perpendicular bisector of the common chord. In the example we have proved. So line OO dash is perpendicular bisector of AB. It is a theorem. Line joining the center of a two circles with intersecting is a perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So in triangle OAM, by Pythagoras, we know the Pythagoras theorem. AM square is equal to OA square minus OM square. That is OA square minus 4 minus X square. It is the equation first. In triangle O dash AM, again by Pythagoras, you will get OA square is equal to, not OA, AM square is equal to O dash A square minus O dash M square. Hypotenuse square minus this. So you will get O dash A square minus X square. It is the AM square. By first and second you compare. By first and second, what are you getting? OA square is minus 4 minus X whole square is equal to O dash A square. O dash A square minus X square. Put the values here. OA is given 5 square. 5 square minus 16 minus plus X square minus 8X is equal to 3 square minus X square. So 25 minus 16 minus X square plus 8X is equal to 9 minus X square. Both the minus X square will be cancelled. You will get 16 and 25. 16 minus 25. 4 4 is 16. 9 plus 8X is equal to 9. So 9 and 9 cancel. 8X is equal to 0. Then X is equal to 0. You are getting X is 0. So by equation number 2, AM square is equal to OA square minus X square. O dash A square minus means 9, 3 3 is 9 minus 0 square gives you 9. So AM square, AM is equal to under root 9, that is 3. So AB is equal to 2AM. Why? It is a OO dash is perpendicular bisector of AB. that I have told you. 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter is the length of the common chord. 6 centimeter is the length, it means it is the diameter of the smaller circle. 6 centimeter is the common chord you are getting. If two circles are given, question number 2 is given. Question number 2 of this, very simply you will get two circles. What is given? If two equal chords of a circle, intersect within a circle, prove that the line segment of one chord, are equal to the corresponding segment of the segment, means part of the circle. You want to prove this is the chord, two equal chords. One chord is this, another chord is this. Both are equal. One is AB, one is CD. There is a O. Two equal chords are given. It is, construction will come after this. So you want to prove equal chords intersecting at P. Given in COR, circle of center O and radius R, AB and CD are equal, intersecting at P. To prove, what do you want to prove? AP is equal to CP, BP is equal to DP. You want to prove segment. Segment means part of the one. Bigger part equal to bigger part, smaller part equal to smaller part. For this you prove that construction is there. Draw ABCD, OE perpendicular to AB and OF perpendicular to CD. OE perpendicular to AB, OF perpendicular to CD, and join OP. Also join the OP. Proof. In triangle OEP, and triangle OFP, OE is equal to OF. Why? Equal chords at equal distance. Equal chord at equal distance from center, it is a theorem. So OE is equal to OF, OP is equal to OPY, common. Angle OEP is equal to angle OFP is equal to 90 degree because of construction we have done the perpendicular. By RHS, by right angle, hypotenuse and side congruency, triangle OEP congruent to triangle OFP. So EP is equal to PF. EP is equal to PF by CPCT. It is a first equation. Because AB is equal to CD, so half AB is also equal to half CD. Or you can write AE is equal to CF. Which part? A is equal to CF. Perpendicular from center bisect the chord. Center bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center bisect the chord. So half AB will be AE because it is perpendicular. OF is also perpendicular on CD, then half CD will be CF. So perpendicular from center bisect the chord. That's why A is equal to CF. It is the equation second. Adding first and second, LHS side, EP plus AE. EP plus AE is equal to PF plus CF. Or you can write A by figure, AE plus EP will be AP is equal to Cp, hence proved. First part is proved. Second part is given. Therefore, AB minus AP is also equal to CD minus Cp. AB minus AP is equal to CD minus AP. Subtracting equal cards. From equal you subtract equals, then the results are also equal. Which chapter is deleted, their theorems or axioms are used. So equal AB equal to CD, so AP equal to Cp, so AB minus AP also equal to CD minus Cp, which will be AB minus AP will be BP. It is called the BP is equal to dP, and it is the second proof. Hence proved. Your theorems, 2 questions that you are seeing is completed now. Third question, if 2 equal cards, third, fourth, fifth, others I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks for today.